124.22. 124.22, you have it? Yeah, push it down.
Okay. Oh.
There.
Sky conditions
Okay.
6,000 scattered. Ceiling 5,000 broken. 3,000 broken. Temperature 21.
Yeah, just write it down. Don't worry about it.
3010.
Yeah. Push it down. Yes.
Visual runway 28 approach in use.
We need only the
Use caution, bird
wind
activities
and
light in
the altimeter setting.
Airport. Notice, Searman, the runway 28 glide slope is out of service. Advises to contact you at Foxtrot.
Foxtrot.
Syracuse Airport information, Foxtrot 1454 Zulu, wind 1709, visibility 10. Sky conditions 6,000 scattered, ceiling 5,000 broken. 3,000 broken, temperature 212.11, altimeter is 3010. Visual runway 28 approach in use.
Okay, 3010, that's correct.
Light in the vicinity
Okay,
of
now go back to
Airport.
125.05.
Notice, Searman, the runway 28 glide slope is out of service. Advises to contact you at Foxtrot.
Foxtrot is the...
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, tell them we would like to do pattern work.
Okay.
Clearance.
Syracuse clearance, Cherokee 55449. We'd like to do some pattern work, please. We have Foxtrot.
449, Syracuse Tower, roger, maintain VFR and the pattern, squawk 0425.
Squawk 0425, VFR in the pattern. Cherokee 55449.
449, Rebecca is correct.
Okay. There.
Alright, we're on runway 28, right?
We will go to 28 first and then ask if we can use runway 15.
Okay.
Okay.
Syracuse ground, Cherokee 55449 at corporate hangar. I'd like to taxi to runway 28, please.
Cherokee 55449, Syracuse ground, runway 28, taxi via Hotel, November, Yankee, Mike, Lima, cross runway Tree on Mike.
Hotel, November, Yank, Mikey, Mike, Lima, cross runway 33 on Mike. Cherokee 55449 to runway 28.
Okay, very good.
Alright, where's that air conditioning?
116 to
You'll get it
taxi
as soon
right
as you start taxiing.
Foxtrot, remains frequency.
Push that thing in there.
Oh, is that how that works?
There. See?
Oh my, yeah. You do have air conditioning. Alright.
All right. Take the brake and then taxi. Go ahead. Okay, check the brakes.
Want to check your brakes?
Yeah, I don't have.
Oh, you don't have brakes?
Only one side, yeah.
Oh.
It's here. Already.
Yeah, see the weather?
Yeah. It is here.
Oh. Alright, so we're going to do some more landing.
Lincoln 1822, Syracuse ground, runway 28, taxi via Sierra, Mike, turn left on taxiway Alpha, cross runway Tree on Alpha.
Alright, what do I need to get better at?
Well, you're getting set on the approach, the speed, and the flare and everything. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do some maybe 1 or 2 crosswind landings we can try. Okay.
And you're going to do the wing low approach? Is that how you want to do those?
Yeah. You keep the wing into the wind and then use gentle rudder to keep it straight on the middle of the runway.
Okay.
And the flare will be the normal flare, except the wing will be down like that. So that's all.
Yeah.
So the amount of aileron depends on the strength of the wind.
Yes.
If the wind is light, like 9 knots, not much of a crosswind component, then your wing low will be less than if it is more than 20 knots or something. So the principle is the same. Only thing is you will have to have that idea of the cross controlling, because it is not normal. Usually don't do that normally, okay? So that is all you have to be perceiving, and of course maintain your direction and the rudder.
So I've seen people do exercises where they do like a low approach, right? And then they do this, and then they drift left and right across the runway.
Yeah.
So so you use the rudder to keep your nose straight, and you use the aileron to
sufficient aileron to keep it
against the wind.
Yeah, it is a combination of aileron and rudder.
Right.
If you don't have enough rudder, it will go to the left.
Yeah.
You know, if you are coming down and then you have wind coming from the left, you understand me?
Yeah.
If you have excess aileron, then it will go to the left.
Yep.
If you have excess rudder, it will go to the right. So it's a combination of both.
So if I need
to line myself up on that.
Yeah.
I would say I'm off to the right.
Yeah. Yes, you have. Yeah, your direction is always the rudder. Okay, so if you are going away from the center line, so use the rudder. But if you do excess bank, then you will go to the opposite direction. You understand me? If you give excess bank, which is more than required for the amount of wind speed, then you will go all the way to the right. Yeah. To the left. You understand me? Yeah. If you're coming on a left wing down condition. Okay. So it's a combination of both together. Okay, the rudder and the across.
So if I'm lined up, but I'm not on center line, over. What do I use to drift myself back?
You have to use more aileron, see? That's because the wind is stronger. That's why you are going to the other way. You understand me? Yeah. So it's a combination of both.
Okay. And that's what they call a slip.
That's a slip, yes. It's a gradual slip. It's not a real slip, but it will be gradual. It is not real slip. I'll show you a real slip. Real slip is a real bank and rudder, and also you control the speed.
Cross.
Yeah. Oh, so we should go back on 1.5. Yeah. 1.5 gusting to 19. 1 hour 20 I think. Yeah.
So 1.5, that's the strength of the wind. 1.5 gusting to 1.9.
Yeah.
And out of what direction?
190. Okay. at 9 now, so okay, go ahead, retake off checks.
Set.
Yeah.
Attitude indicator. That's good. Need you to make
Yeah.
It's rich. Probably 2000.
little aileron into the wind. Wind is coming from there. So look at the windsock there. Okay, little aileron into the wind. There you go. Now keep it straight with the rudder. Okay, go ahead. All the way. Trim it so that you don't have to have the front. Gentle trim. Yeah. Hold it there. Relax on the rudder pedals, okay? No pressure. Just relax. You have strong winds, so your ground speed will be less. Okay. So a little more closer. Okay, the wind is coming that way, so that's why you're drifting to the right. I'm sorry, to the left. Yeah, yeah, to the right aileron, and yeah, there you go. Bring it back slowly. There, hold it there, right there. It's only 20 knots. 20 degrees crosswind. Yeah. Now. Throttle back slowly, power altogether. Okay, keep the nose down, maintain the clearing walls all the way. Look far away. Keep it down. Nose down. Nose down. Keep it down. Nose down. Nose down. Okay, now flare, hold it there, back. Now don't push it forward. Just hold it there. Alright, take off again. Yeah. Okay, little right children and then take off. No right turn. No right turn. Right turn and right turn. There, hold it there. Right trim. We are a little far away, so we'll turn around without reducing the power. Otherwise, you'll have to open the power again. So don't put the flaps. Salim. We are visiting. Yeah, little more close. You're only 1300 feet, so you can reduce the power for the nose, slow down, so that you can preserve the altitude. Hold the nose. Trim it so that you can maintain that altitude or use the speed. That's the idea. There. Okay. Now go ahead and put 1 notch of pressure. There you go. Keep it there. Now judge yourself the distance and your altitude. So look at your altitude, look at your distance. You understand me? So you don't want to go down too early. That's the idea. Okay. So let it come closer. No, not necessary. You're really onto the runway. Yeah, you're straight onto the runway. The wind is die down a little bit. Okay. Now very little crab only. 8 knots, 7 knots. Okay. Now put another notch of flag. Okay. Now you are at 1,000 feet, and you're still little high. So reduce the power a little bit. Yeah, reduce the power. Yeah, that's how you judge your altitude and the distance. Don't put the nose up too much. As you bring the power back, you have to keep the nose slightly down. You understand me? Then only you will be able to maintain the same speed. Because when you alter something, you have to alter the other one. So you are altering the power. So you alter the nose actually, you see? So that you can maintain your same speed. Okay. Now, little more right shoulder so I can bring it back. Yeah. There, hold it there. Okay. Very good. Keep it there. Okay. Now, okay, go ahead, put full flaps. Full flaps. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, very gradually bring the power all the way back in the nose down. Yeah, nose down. Slightly down. There you go. Hold it there, right there. Okay. Relax on the rudder. Okay. Keep it there, straight. Straight. Let it come down. Let it come down. Okay, now flare, hold it there. There she's sinking back. There, and I'll tape a little into the wind, into the wind. There you go. Hold it back. Gentle brakes, we can turn off. Oh, doesn't this guy? Yeah. Go to the corporate tank.
We're going to the corporate tank.
Kilo Sierra Bravo Alpha Golf crossing way 200. Okay, go ahead.
Alright, so I'm landing.
Yeah. Flaps up. That's good. Okay, there is Sierra. Okay. We are on Kilo. There is Sierra, then Bravo. That is Bravo there. Yeah. Bravo is that way. And then right onto Alpha. The weather is already here with that. The wind is varying actually. As the thunderstorms comes in, it will change all directions. So yeah. See, they were trying to change the runway from 15 to 28, 28 to 15, back to 28, you know. That's because the wind is varying and changing. Okay, here we go to the right, Alpha. All the way around. Yeah. And then we'll go straight to Golf and then cross to 8. No brakes, no brakes. Just let the brakes run. Yeah. No brakes. Yeah. Control this with the speed. Control the speed with the throttle.
Left turn on Golf, across 2-8, right turn on Hotel 554. Already gave us all that.
Yeah. Yeah. There is the air conditioning. Sorry. You can feel that humidity, you can feel that unsettled weather, the atmosphere. You see that?
Yeah. Just a warm front coming in.
Yeah. There's a warm front and a cold front together there. This side is warm, that's why the wind is from the south. Anytime you have wind coming from the south, it warms up. Anytime the wind is coming north to northwest, it cools up. Yeah. So, and two air masses of different characteristics, when they meet, that is where all the thunderstorms and everything develops. Thunderstorms have become so violent nowadays, you know. It never used to be like
Really?
this. Yeah, oh yeah. It has become so violent. Look at those destructions on, on the Midwest. So many airplanes, so many houses gone. All shredded into pieces, actually. So, all shredded into pieces.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You can imagine the strength of the wind. You can imagine that. See? Where is this guy going? Keep going. Go up to that door there. Yeah, keep going. That's okay. All right.
Runner up.
No. Just switch off everything and then we can switch it off. Oh, hold the mix.
I'm going to get the tow bar by the time
Okay.
you can write down everything and then push it inside.